Okay. Hi all. Good morning. Can you please confirm you are able to view my desktop?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning all. This is Krishna Gadipe from the RISE core team. Welcome to the testing training session again. And today we'll get started with our session. Prior to that, we'll just go through the overview of Women Who Code. So Women Who Code is a worldwide organization spread across almost more than 122 countries with a member base of 250,000. And the primary objective of Women Who Code is to help women and the technology landscape to excel in the respective career path. So this is about our mission, inspiring women to excel in technology careers. And the vision is like a world where diverse women are better represented as engineers and tech leaders. So for any non-voluntary organization, generally like there will be a code of conduct, and especially with respect to Women Who Code, we do have the code of conduct, and Women Who Code is all about like equality. It doesn't want to really discriminate based on your region, religion, caste, creed, political affiliation, or whatnot. So it's all about equality, and we would like to treat everyone with the same respect with each person. For the detailed full version of the code of conduct, we request you to go through the below link, which will help us in understanding the code of conduct of this particular forum. And we request all the participants to adhere to this specific code of conduct when we are tied to this particular organization. And moving on, with respect to the current programs that we are hosting, they are being hosted primarily from the Women Who Code Hyderabad chapter. So basically, as I said, like Women Who Code is spread across the world, and this program, that is the RISE training programs, they are being hosted from the Women Who Code Hyderabad chapter. So what we request is like, as I said in the very beginning, we request all the participants to actively participate in the other networking events also. That might be beneficial for you in different aspects. It could be your learning, or it could be your career progression, whatnot. Okay. So with that, I would like to thank Sneha for volunteering for today's session. Thank you, Sneha, for helping us today on hosting this session. And at the same time, I request all the participants to be interactive and engaging discussion in today's session, so that like we better make utilization of this session. With that, I would like to hand over the control to today's trainer, Sneha. Over to you, Sneha.
Yeah, thank you, Hari, and thank you to all the participants who waited for the delay for me to join this session. And let's start today with. Okay, Hari, can you just let me share my screen? So today we'll be starting off with Tosca installation, how you can do, and what exactly the features and files that will be getting downloaded with Tosca, and how you will be helping yourself with creating your own first test case for automation.
Definitely. And Sneha, actually, like last time, Balaji
Yeah.
explained the participants on how to get the Tosca installation. And a couple of folks, like they are facing challenges. So what is the primary challenge is like when we try to get the software installed, it is asking for some kind of registration. And in the registration part, I think
Yes.
like Joshna and Aruna and some of the other participants,
Hmm.
they were facing some issue. Maybe I request you to spend some 10 to 15 minutes in explaining like what is that different things that we need to do to get the
Yeah.
installation completed using our personal Gmail address or some personal email address, because like most
Okay.
of them are like currently not working. That
Mhm.
would be really beneficial for them. And we request the
Yes.
participants to have your personal laptops ready, because like Tosca is like an automation tool, which definitely needs a personal laptop with a good configuration. And Balaji said like a minimum of 4 GB is needed. So we appreciate
Yes.
like if you are ready with that. Yep.
Yes. Yes. Sure. So, going for this, you need this support.tricentis.com for registering into that site, because whatever downloads are required for Tosca or installation of Tosca, everything will be coming from this site itself. Okay. So previously you need to register on this particular site. So before that, I will just show you the configuration part of your system which is required. So you require minimum 4 GB RAM to be there to use this particular tool. And whenever you install Tosca, right, it will be installed for 14 days. So that you should remember, it will be installed for 14 days. And if you want to start the training for Tosca, you have another site for Tosca where you can train yourself. Okay, so I have already registered on the site. I will just log out and show you how you can register yourself into the site. You just go on login and or
Yeah,
register.
what
Yes.
what I request is, like, I request all the
Yes.
participants, please get into your respective laptops, personal laptops or your mobiles, and then just try to do simultaneously as we do with Sneha. Even maybe like I will also
Yes.
give a try at my end.
Yeah, that will help everyone. And let us also know what difficulty you are facing with the registration part, if any. Okay. So here you can just give your Gmail ID that you want to register. Okay.
Yeah, I'm also just trying at my end to
Yeah.
get onto this portal.
Yeah.
We'll work
Then I
parallelly.
will give, yes, I will give some time for you to also follow the same. Are you
Definitely.
all on same page as mine? Or do you want me to send this particular link so that all of you are on same page?
Yeah, appreciate
Yeah, I
if you
can
can just
send it.
ping it on the
Yes,
chat.
I will just ping on the chat so that we have everyone. So these all features which are provided by Tricentis, right? So all these features will be accessible only after you register on this particular site of support.tricentis.com. Just give me an heads up once everyone is able to just open the site and you're able to enter the Gmail ID that you're looking for.
Yeah, I'm just trying out Sneha at my end.
Yeah.
Give us 2 to 5 minutes.
Yes.
Can the participants confirm? Did they got started with this? At least like for those who have the personal laptops. I know like some of them have logged on using the mobiles.
Can you just, yes, everyone, can you just give me an heads up so that I am also aware that you have.
If you don't
We have,
speak out, I will call out the
we
names.
have
Akila,
Firdaus,
Akila, I think
Aruna,
you are good, right? You
Joshna.
are good with respect to your installation.
Yes, Akila,
Aruna, you had some questions, correct?
Nilufar, Saiti, Vaishali, Vasudha, Shweta.
We are good to go.
You're good? Yeah,
Yes.
great. So try to give your email as your Gmail ID only, and password, you can set it up some password for yourself. Okay, and confirm the password also. There is nothing kind of a registration code over here. Okay, so you just give the salutation. I'm into the personal data now. I hope all of you would have set up password. Language English, title if you want to name, but try to just fill out all the required places. Okay, so first name, last name. Okay. Time zone, you can take it for India time.
Actually, there was a question on this also, Sneha. What is
Yes.
the time which we need to take? So I see like after island, I see Indian. There are many Indian.
Here
Yes,
we
yes.
need to select Asia, Kolkata. Yeah, Asia.
Asia.
Asia, Kolkata. Great.
Ah.
Let me check on that. Asia, Kolkata.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Yes, it's there.
Asia, Kolkata. You can just type ASIA. So Asia will be populated, and you can just use your scroll to select this Asia, Kolkata. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Vaishali. I hope everyone is done with
And
this part. Just try to fill
and
out the required fields. Yes. Yes, sir.
yes, Neha. And what do we give for the company name? Because it's asking for company data also. Any XYZ, it will work out.
Yes, yes. Company, you can just maintain any name,
Okay.
simple name that the company that you like. You can give the company name.
I suggest you use some non-existing stuff. Don't try to use something like
Yes.
which is already existing. It may
Yes,
lead to some kind of
non-existing
violation.
stuff.
Yep.
You just need to verify your Gmail account, which is
Yeah.
required. So once that is verified, so you can start using this registration site. Okay.
Yeah,
Or
we
you
are
can take
working.
any.
We are working on it. Yeah. Give us a couple of
Yes,
minutes. Huh?
any healthcare domain.
Yeah. The primary objective is
Like
today
that.
we want everyone to be comfortable with respect to the Tosca installation.
Yeah.
Because like right, the other day you covered Tosca and even like Balaji also covered the same thing. But still I think like until and unless like we get this installation completed, it doesn't make any impact with respect to this.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Just trying it my end also.
So all of you have filled these personal data, company data, and privacy policy, right?
Yes, at least I am able to fill it out, and then like I just checked. I got the
Okay.
email from Tricentis,
Hmm.
and it is requesting me to verify. It provided me URL, verify me now.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
Okay, now we'll go
So
ahead and
once
check
you
with all the.
verify,
Yeah,
yes,
sorry to
you have
interrupt
to
just now.
verify.
Yeah,
Yes, you
maybe
have
like
to
we'll take this
verify,
as a.
like I said, yeah, you have to verify from your Gmail account. So you don't need
Yeah.
a company email ID to be there. That's what I want to say.
Agreed.
Okay.
So sorry to interrupt, Jasni. I just want to confirm with
Yeah.
all the participants whether they are good with this step one. So this step one is all about like registering yourself on the Tricentis portal. So Akila, I think like you already have the installation up and running. So Aruna, can you confirm? I am very much specific because like this is where like most of the folks are stuck. And I want to get a confirmation from each one of you. So Aruna, did you got the chance to complete till now step one, registering yourself on the Tricentis portal? Aruna, are you speaking on mute? Okay, Jaya Chitra, can you confirm? Joshna? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Present Wi-Fi not connected.
Oh.
I'm doing screen recording. After I will do
Okay.
it.
Okay, sure, Joshna. Aruna, how about you? Is it whoever just spoke? It was Aruna, or is it Josh?
It was Joshna, I think so. Aruna, maybe if you are not able to have an audio, you can just ping in the chat. Okay, Jaya has pinged not able to.
So when you say
Jaya, you
not
are
able
not
to,
able
like,
to register, or yeah.
what exactly you are not able to? Can you be specific? Okay, we'll move on. Kranti, how about you? Okay, we'll move on to Murshita. How about you, Murshita?
Hi Hari, it asked for a company name while registering. I have given not applicable while registering.
No, just give
Yeah,
ABC or
yes,
something
yes,
randomly.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
That would do. No, no issues with that.
Okay, okay.
Okay, she is Jaya is not able to load Tricentis site, maybe because of the Wi-Fi issue or something.
Okay.
She said that she will do it and she will ask later. Okay.
Actually, like this is the challenge we are facing. Actually,
Okay.
that's the reason we wanted to like do it right now in the session itself. If someone had logged on using the mobile, they can do it later. But I request, like, if at all, if you have logged on using the personal laptop, it's a good time to go ahead and do it right away. Okay.
So
And
you can
Nilofar, how about you? Hello, Nilofar. Am I audible? Okay, we'll move on to Sahiti. Hey, Sahit, how about you?
Yes, I have registered it.
Great. And did you got this email, the verification email?
I have to check now.
Can you check and confirm?
Yes, when you verify it, right, this message will go off of unverified.
Okay.
Okay. And
How about
once
Shweta? Shweta Sudala?
Last week itself, I have installed.
Acha, you
Last week
are
itself, I
up
have
and running.
completed my registration, but I couldn't file the installation packages.
Okay, we'll look into that. We will look into that. We are coming step by step so that like everyone is on the same page. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I think Vaishali already confirmed. Vaishali, can you confirm?
Yes. Yeah, I'm logged in now. Yeah.
Okay. And then finally, the last one is Vasudha. Vasudha, how about you?
Yeah, I have registered. And I got
You got, and everyone is on the same page. Like, for example, I see like I just click the verified on my email. And now I'm just trying to get into the Tricentis portal by logging in.
yes, that part also I can show you. Please feel free to interrupt me anytime you have any questions. Okay. And whatever you are not getting, anything if you're not getting, just bug me in. I'm all okay with your questions.
We want you to be comfortable and we want you to be successful. It's not that we just want to host our sessions. We want you to be successful by getting placed.
Right. So I will just log into this. And verify my registration, okay, so that it gets verified. So here you saw you don't need any company business email to start
Correct.
learning Tosca, which they have given an initiative so that each anyone who wants to learn about the tool and grasp more knowledge can work around this. Okay, so you will get an email of Tricenter support portal registration verification. You just have to click on verify me now. So that will verify your registration. Okay, so that you don't get an unverified message in the link. So you can see here verify unverified has gone from my URL itself.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get in with the credentials that I just created, Sneha.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm able to get onto the Tricentis portal. So once again, I want to confirm, did everyone like who are having their personal laptops, they were able to register and they are able to get into the Tricentis portal post verifying their through their email, personal email. Okay,
Okay,
we'll take
are
silence
we
as
all
yes.
on yes on same page? So I can
Yes.
just explain you. Yeah, good. Yeah, I'm getting response now. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, if we are
So,
unable to speak, just key in the message so that at least like
yes,
we get the confirmation
I
that
can.
we are good on that.
Okay. Okay. So there are certain tab menus that you see. Okay. One is for downloads, from where we will be downloading Tosca installation and other downloads which are required specific to your own process, like some part of it you require Tosca BI or for business intelligence. So all these downloads are found here, okay, or any specific engines you are looking for, all these downloads you will get here. Web shop is the place where you buy the products, while many of their products for yourself to train, you have it available here. So if you just click on web shop and you go to products, okay, you will get some of the very good trainings for the initial starting of Tosca, and you will understand Tosca better. So once you go to web shop, and it is free of cost, okay, you don't have to pay anything. It's only the registration part that you have to do, which you have already done. And you just can start with this automation specialist level 1 and automation specialist level 2. Okay, if you are trying to train yourself, if you are looking for any specialization also, so you can find these trainings free. SAP testing specialist level 1, then test design is there, especially automation main crux is like data. Even for everything now, data is the oil. So this is the test design specialist level 1, you have level 2, you have. So with the sign itself you can understand it. Okay, so and Q test is nothing but a test management tool wherein you have test cases which will show you the result, whether they have been passed, to which particular sprint they are belonging, to which story they are belonging, how much, what was the performance of the last test case that we had executed, and results were found. So all these things are managed by the test management tool. Here the test management tool they are using with an integration which is called as Q test specialist. Okay, so these are the trainings that you will be getting free with Tosca registration that you do. And if you cover up these trainings, you will be all good with Tosca, and you can crack the Tosca interview itself. Okay, with these trainings itself. So this Tricentis automation engineer training that you get, right, you will be able to help anyone who is trying to troubleshoot with Tosca also. So this kind of training they have designed, which is free of cost, which you can go and register. You can also have some specialist training. Okay, Live Compare is like a tool where you can have analysis done. Okay, analysis is done on your testing part, so that also you can register and you can take free of cost. Similarly, you have an administrator training. Okay, so if you want to go in an administrator zone, also you can benefit from this. And you have Q Test Explorer, which is you can introduce yourself. It is same with the test management, but a better version of it. Okay, then you have a SpecFlow tutorial also. SpecFlow is the BDD, which is behavior driven design which you use. And like you have Cucumber, and to that Cucumber, something which resembles is the SpecFlow. Okay, then you have a query language like SQL that you use. Similar type of query language is used in Tosca, where you try to find whatever test cases are written. You have all the data in it, or some objects are missing, or if someone is not able to just map your requirements, and all these kinds of queries which you have, right, related to your scripts, those all things are covered in Tosca query language. Then you have automation specialist for SAP, which is there. So for SAP, you will be having the special training. Okay, so specialized trainings also you have. Certified specialist for exploratory testing also. So if you are having a good knowledge, or if you have more if you are more inclined to exploratory testing, you can go for this particular training also. Then you have Tricentis automation specialist for databases. Okay, so databases testing which is done and how it is done, entire videos are given, also with the live examples. Okay, they have live examples given to you, and you the live examples which they have given, you can use that with the site which they have mentioned. So site knowledge also they have given in it. Then APIs, if you are interested more on APIs part, which is currently in the market, you can go for API also. So these are kind of specialist courses which are given. So certification, more higher level certification, if you can see, it is landing in a cost part, but rest of these which you see, they are free of cost, and you can take it anytime and enhance your knowledge of Tosca. So if you have gone to web shop and products, so you just click on this automation specialist level 1, which is a basic level
Excuse me.
of, yes, yeah,
For the beginners, which you suggest, which is preferable for the
yes.
beginners?
For the beginners, you have to use automation specialist level 1. So you have to start from here. Okay, and after level 1, you can go for level 2.
Okay.
And once you
Thank you.
finish,
So
yes,
the minimum
to
is
begin,
what is needed, Sneha? The minimum, like minimum, for example, I am totally new to the testing field, and
yes.
I don't want to like spend too much time on doing different certifications. I just want to get started with my journey. So according to your experience, like what would be the most helpful or beneficial?
Yes, the most helpful and beneficial will be automation specialist level 1 and level 2. These two trainings are more than sufficient for you to crack any interview and get into a company, a very good company.
Great, thank you.
So these two are sufficient, and these two certifications, once you get these certifications, you can easily add to your LinkedIn profile also. Okay, and it will be more it will show you in a good terms, and you will get a good job into Tosca.
And when we open it out, Sneha, like for example, can you
Yes,
open it
if
out?
you register,
This one?
yes.
Yeah.
So you just have to click on register now. So I will register myself for automation specialist level 1.
Specialist level 1.
Okay,
correct.
so a
So
page
it will be like
opens.
both the video content which hosts this
Yes,
what
yes,
you call
you have
lessons,
a
and then
video
followed by the
content. you have a video content which
Okay.
covers the lessons, and with that you have a PDF format also. They have given in a PDF format also, which will contain exercises, and those exercises videos are also there, which solutions which they have asked you to perform. So that solution video is also there. So even if you are missing out on how to do that particular thing, you will be able to understand it clearly. Okay, so you just have to scroll down and you get enroll now. Okay, so if I click on enroll now, I will be enrolled for this particular training.
Correct. Great.
Okay, I will just walk you through what is. See, when you enroll for this training, you will see it as some shown in this particular module. So you can just start. Okay, so you will have course curriculum. So this entire course curriculum will be shown to you. And so you will get a start button from the first part itself. So if you see here in the introduction call, I will just expand this. And once you scroll down, you will be able to see here, they have given a training. This is the live environment. Okay, so demo web shop, they have created a e-commerce website which is there. So you can just open this website to start your training also, if to understand it better what exactly this is. Okay, so this is, if you can see here, you just have to register on this site, and then you can use all the things which are available on the site. Okay, so if you want to add this to your cart, you're adding it to cart, and you are just completing the cart and doing a checkout which is required. Okay, so this is the e-commerce website which they have given for testing. And if you go ahead, you will be able to see video entirely. Okay, and once you start, it will be playing. It's quite fast. Okay, and once you finish it, you just have to click on complete and continue to go to the next section. Okay, so complete and continue, you will get on the topmost corner to complete the video part. If you have completed, to go to the next section, like that. Okay, so you can see here each session will be covered with this. Now test case structure.
So any ideas, Neha, approximately how many hours it might be?
Approximately it will be around 3 hours only. 3 hours only.
3 hours is like, I think.
Not big. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Actually, some weekend we can just
Not
go
big.
ahead and do
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Yes. You can just go and complete the exercises accordingly. Okay.
Gotcha.
And if once you complete the exercises, and between these lessons also, you have some short assessments which are there. Okay, short assessments, you can give short assessments which is there. Let me show you. So see, for this like I said, you have a video of lesson when they are covering test step values. You can see a small exercise. Okay, something like a daily practice program problems that we do, right? DPP sheets and all we have. On similar manner, we have a daily practice programs you can keep, and you can learn everything from here. Okay, so they have given you in PDF format, and the solution is given in a video format, that how you can use it and what you need to do. And then let's move on to next. Exercises are there, and I'm trying to show you assessment. Yes, like this sign, if you see, tick and cross, there you will be finding an assessment. Okay. So here you can see small quiz is generated with 5 questions, and this assessment, which is chapter after completing 6 chapters, you have small assessment which is given, right? So these assessment you can give n number of times. Okay. Only the final exam which is present, that is valid for 2 attempts only. So remember this, that final exam is only for 2 attempts that you will be performing. Okay, so before that you can just save on this particular quiz answers, because this is the chapter wise quiz is only getting generated in final exam. So if you want to clear, you have some 60% that you need to get to cover and complete this automation specialist level 1. But if you just cover up all the videos part also, you will get a good number of understanding of the Tosca tool itself. So right from start to end, you have a lot of things which are there, which will make you understand Tosca in a large term. So you just have to register for this particular course, and once you finish, you will get a certification also, and the certification will be shown on this particular site of your support.trysinthis.com. So if you just go here, you will be able to see your certificates here. Okay, so in my assets, whatever are your assets, certificates, you will be able to see here in this oh. Okay. Is everyone clear on this part of training that you can take from? You just have to go to web shop products and then register for that particular training. Is everyone clear on the training part?
And what would be the validity? Any ideas, Sneha? Like, for example, generally there will be validity, right?
No, there is no validity for this. You can give as and when you complete, you can give the exam. Okay.
No, I'm
So
speaking about the certification validity. For example, I do some kind
no,
of certification.
validity is not there. Certification validity is not there for this, because this is like a basic understanding you get of Tosca. In fact, you will have an endless certification that you will be getting from this. Okay. So you can see only the videos. If they are only videos, you will see this sign, and if it has an assessment in it, you will be able to see this sign. So you can see here the entire lessons, 17 lessons are there, and downloads and guides, all the downloads you can download it from here. Okay, so irrespective of your PDF, your manuals and all, you can download it from here. And this final exam which I'm speaking, right, this you have only 2 attempts to perform, and the attempts are twice. But remember that whatever thing you are doing in this particular chapter, right, those all are only there in final exam. So you have to be very clear on the chapter wise sessions that you perform. Okay,
Agree.
so any questions you have for this? And even if you like what I mean to say is, even if you have completed all the videos and all the lessons which are there, final exam you can give anytime when you are ready. It is no compulsion that after completing this you have to give it in so many days, and nothing like that. Okay, so after you complete these lessons, you can give final exams anytime. If you want to brush up again, and if you want to give, that is also fine. Final exam you can give anytime.
Okay,
but it is just the persistence that you need in this, so that every day if you do some part of training and take some questions, then you will be able to move forward with this trainings, and AS1 and AS2 are completely more than to start Tosca.
So only videos
Yes.
are there, or any practical is also included in this?
Yes, practical is also included, like I showed you in this, right? So see, we now this video is explaining about test step values, okay? And on the same grounds, they have asked you exercise to perform, which is practical exercise on the site which I have shown you for the product e-commerce product which they have given. Okay, so you what you have to do is that you have to open that site, you have to navigate it to the login page, you have to click on login button. In login, you have to give email, password, and login. You have to click on login button, then you have to go to the order product, and you have to order this blue jeans quantity. You have to take 25, add to the cart, you have to do start checkout, you have to do. Okay, so this is a small site which they have given, and you have to use that. Okay, so this thing which they have shown is given in the solution part of the video. So this is the solution for this exercise that they have given on that particular application. You got me now? Is it clear, or
Yeah,
you have any
it's
questions?
clear.
Okay, so all the live examples are given here. Okay, so whatever when they are saying test step values, so what test step values are they covering? Entire thing they have given in this particular training. So I believe once when you have already set up with part of registration, right, to do utilize this training and get yourself well versed with Tosca. So if you want
Definitely.
to go to previous lecture, or you can just complete and continue to the next lecture, then only it will unlock the next trainings which are there.
Sure, Sneha. Can we look into the download and installation and configuration?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
So coming to that part, so this is the main support.tricentis.com registration which we had done. So like you went for training to web shop, for downloads you have to go to this downloads button. Okay, so you just click on this downloads, it will show you the top downloads which are there. Okay, just click on view all downloads. You just type Tosca installation. So latest version is 14.3, which you can see here.
When I did the search, I got the installation guide.
Yes, this STS installation guide also you can take, and this STS documentation you have to take. This contains Tricentis Tosca in it. Okay, I can just show you. I had already downloaded previously. Since I have license only for 14 days, I'm just showing you a quick.
So I need to select
believe I've
Tosca 14.3
downloaded it.
STS installation guide, Sneha.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
STS installation guide. So
Okay.
once you open that zip file, right, it will be a zip file which will be there, and in that these two things I had installed. Somehow I think so I have deleted them because they cover a lot of space. Let me just check whether no. Okay, no issues. this guide is there, and in that guide they have given entirely how you can install Tosca. Okay, what all configurations are required. For looking out for configurations, if you are looking for installing Tosca, then you just put, so if you just click on this, you will be able to see Tricentis 14.3 documentation zip file which gets generated.
So Sneha, when we install, like, what is the file size? Because I did that, and
Yes, it is 1 GB. I think so.
I don't know, like maybe something I did wrong. It gave
Let
me.
me do it. Let me also do it.
Okay. I selected this Tosca.
No, it is 118 MB. Okay, it is 118 MB.
Do you want me to share my screen and show it to you?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. Yeah, can you confirm you are able to view my desktop?
Yes, it is starting from.
How about now, Sneha?
No, I'm just seeing a blank screen. Is anyone else able to see the screen of Hari?
No, it is still sharing out.
Yeah.
Not its done.
It's showing, Hari, it's showing has started screen sharing.
Okay, I will stop actually. Maybe. So did anyone download it? And do you see the size as specified by Sneha? At least I am facing issue. Till now it looks good, but when I just try to download, I got the zip file, which is a compressed one, and when I extracted it, it gave me a folder, and that folder just got shortcuts.
Once go to download tab, Hari. Downloads is there, right? Anything it is showing? Current version like that? Product downloads.
Products. Sneha, okay, is that Tricentis Tosca 14.1 STS documentation which we need to download? It's of
We need to
179.
It's 14.3.
package.
Yeah, it's 14.3.
14.3.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got you. I'm able to see that. I will do actually. Just now I clicked on 14.1. Once that is done, I will try to do 14.3.
Okay. Hari, just pass me the control so that I can, the zip file is downloaded for me. I can just show
Yeah,
them.
you can go ahead and share your screen. As such, I don't think like I will be holding something. Can you give it a try?
Yes. Let me just know once screen is visible.
Yeah, screen we are able to see this, Sneha. I just want to confirm
Okay.
with the others also. Oh, like are they good till now? The download part? Because once we are set with the environment, we will proceed with the actual hands-on. Yeah, my download is still in progress, Sneha.
Yes.
Yeah, give me a couple of minutes more, and
Yeah.
once it is done, I will let you know. So, Sneha, what is the plan for today? When do we want to close the session today?
Yeah, we can close it at 1, right?
Okay. Because our day jobs are also there, right?
Yes, yes. Maybe we can close at 12:30 also. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, now, okay, let me check. Yes, now I got that 118 MB file. I'm just trying to extract here. Yeah, maybe we'll do that actually for today. What we suggest is get the software at least downloaded onto your personal laptops. So tomorrow we'll start on time, and I request Neha tomorrow to be a bit early so that we can get
Okay.
started on time around at 11 a.m. and start with respect to the installation part.
Yes.
So far we are good. Like any questions with respect to whatever we discussed today, Tosca, and then like how to register and how to download, how to extract.
Hari, when I downloaded this one, that is 1 GB for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what is the difference, Sneha? Because like
This
for me
is
it is
only, yeah, for me also it is 118. This is only documentation part. We need it to be
Acha.
the download, proper download. So once
Oh,
you
then I
go to
think like
this
this is only
site,
the
right?
documentation.
One more link,
Yes.
Sneha.
Yes, there is once you go to this link that they have given in the manual, you click on this download the installation packages.
Can I say that link which I have given?
Yes.
Can you
Yes,
ping
yes.
that? Can you ping that? Yep.
Actually, I
That
took
would.
screenshot of that.
Yep. Just ping. Post that in the chat actually. This what you call the Zoom
Okay,
chat.
sure, Hari. Yes, post it.
See, in
And did you
this,
post?
they have given system requirements for Tricentis Tosca, which is required. Yeah, I'll open the one which he has given. So you have pinged in the chat.
Yeah, a screenshot. I have taken the screenshot. Support
You
dot
mean to say support.tricentis.com/community training license.do. That's what
Yes.
it is.
Yes.
But it's not going to help us, at least for my understanding.
No, I tried with this, Hari. Then I got complete package in downloads. Installation, guide, documentation, and everything I got as a package. That is 1 GB. Let I give it a try. Someone.
Let's go from here. View all downloads.
Once open that link, Sneha, I'll tell you. Because in downloads it is showing just a documentation part only,
Yes, yes.
not a, application.
It should actually show this.
Okay, let me forward it to Sneha actually. Sneha is not in that group actually, wherever you are shared.
Okay, I'll tell. We can tell her. No? After.
Sneha, I sent it across to you. The link which Akila is referring to. support.triscientist.com/community/training license _ requirement.2.
Okay, training license. request.
Okay. I went to that portal. Here you can download the tools required for your training as well as request Triscientist Tosca license. Check on premise.
Okay, now they have not kept it as direct. Now from the site they have kept it. If from here, then you just have to request them.
Okay, when here we choose on premise, right?
On-premise.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then
On-premise you can choose, or cloud server also, anything. But
no, for now we
on-premise will
choose
be
on-premise.
preferable. On-premise
Correct,
and submit license request.
Actually, we need to submit license request.
Yes.
This is what you did, Akila?
But it is
Yes, sorry. I submitted license request. Then I got a mail confirmation for it.
Acha, to your personal email address.
Yes.
Okay, I am also doing that. Okay, basically like they are restricting it.
no, but I had actually installed.
I accept is there, Hari. Click on that.
Yeah, I just requested for the license. Let us see. Okay. Yes, find you. I got an email from them. If you need help with license activation, please have a look at online documentation how to find license. Okay. So do I need to open this and say activate license to get the software?
No need to open there. You go to this Trisend, whatever is open tool is there, right? So in there downloads is there option.
The same place where right now.
There you see downloads.
Yeah, I'm there in the downloads.
Current version, anything is there? Like current version 14.3.
No, current version I see like 14.3 STS documentation is there. Tosca
Yeah,
server
they have
14.3
removed
STS is.
some.
Sorry. So there is something like Tosca server 14.3 STS. Is that we need to install?
Can you share me your screen, Hari?
Okay. Sneha, may I request you to stop your share?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to share my screen. Are you able to see, Akila?
No, Hari.
No one is able to view my share.
No, Hari, we are not able to view.
Give me a second. Let's see. Now this PPT. How about now? I'm sharing a PPT.
No, Hari.
No.
Hari, I posted one screenshot. You just click there. Just have a look.
Yeah, it's the same actually, whatever I'm trying. Surprising, I don't know. It says I'm sharing my screen right now, but you guys say like you don't see my share. Okay, I'm just pasting on the chat where I am.
Okay.
So I am here and I'm able to see the download actually. And the download is Tosca server 14.3 STS. Akila, can you
Yes.
confirm? Because
Yes, Hari. Click on it.
oh, okay.
Mm.
Is it 617 MB file?
How much space it is showing?
617 MB.
607. For me, it is 1 GB. I don't know.
Yeah, it is actually 1 GB only.
Mm.
File we are not getting. Maybe they would have removed that file because couple of days back I had installed the file. It is a direct installation which was available through downloads also. Now it is not showing.
Today morning, I downloaded this part. Downloads and install.
Downloads and install.
Huh.
Yeah, at least if we are able to crack like what is the download, then we can conclude saying that
Yes.
just get that download actually. Okay, maybe another 5 minutes we'll give it a try.
It is only showing STS installation guide and all.
For me, I am able to get into like Tosca server 14.3 STS, but again the file size is differing. It says like 617 MB.
Mm-hmm.
Vaishali, how about you?
So I'm downloading this Tricentis Tosca 14.3 documentation. Actually, it's taking so long. It's still downloading.
The documentation also.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I should be good, Sneha, because on the download page, I just see Tosca server 14.3 STS and all the different archival versions also. So maybe I'm not sure like how come it got to 1 GB. But I think like that would be the right version, at least for my understanding.
No, 1 GB is the right version because it is quite huge, Hari.
No, I'm not speaking about 1 GB. I'm speaking about 617 MB.
Hari, is there mobile?
That is not right.
Sorry, someone was saying something.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever you downloaded in the documentation, installation, and Tosca server. Anything else is there? Fourth option.
Okay, give me a
No,
second.
no.
Yeah, four
For
are there.
me,
Tosca
four.
STS documentation, installation guide, Tosca server 14.3, Tosca mobile package. These
Yes,
four options.
I have the four options, but for me size is 1 GB, more than 1
Okay,
GB.
maybe like once I get it onto the disk, it could show 1 GB.
That would be.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So I just want to confirm with rest of the others. Are you able to get till this point? Aruna, how about you? You had some questions, right? Sweta, you were able to download? Sweta
Yeah, I
Subramanian?
have downloaded, but I can see only two options. That is STS documentation and installation guide. That's it.
No. Those are not going to help us actually. We should get the executable. So executable is the one which is the actual software.
Yes.
So documentation and installation guide are basically.
Executable there.
I have
Executable should be there.
a small request, Hari.
Mhm.
Those who have completed successfully, can they take a video and put in the group step by step?
I think they already completed it. Akila is the one actually who completed it. I'm not sure
Yeah.
whether they will be able to do that. Would you be able to do that, Akila? Any kind of screenshot or such kind of stuff?
I can share screenshots, but again, downloading means I have very less RAM size, so that's why I'm not doing anything.
No need of up to some extent, it will be, I think, better.
Only that initial links and then like wherever you were able to find
Yeah.
it out, at least till that point of time. See, like
Yeah,
RAM doesn't come into picture for downloading. It is just the storage that will come into the picture. So even if you
okay.
put it download again, it's not going to harm. It will just download it again and it will be appended with the file name -1.
Sure. Actually, I followed a YouTube video. It is just 3 minutes video.
Acha, then
So,
or else you can just share that video link, right?
yes, I'll share that video link.
Even I have tried it, but not successful.
Okay.
That's why I am asking step by step video.
Okay, then fine. We'll try to post in group.
Yeah, I'm
They've
able to
removed
download
that.
it.
They've removed that file only. It is not visible. That file is not visible.
No, what Akila says is like she downloaded it today itself, Sneha.
Yes,
Yes.
the file. Yeah, the file itself is 14.3 sts.zip file. You downloaded this file only, right, Akila? 14.3 sts.zip.
Yes.
Yeah, that file is not available now. Somehow.
Maybe
But
they are
Hari
doing some.
downloaded this.
Maybe they are doing some maintenance.
Yeah, maybe a maintenance would be there. Otherwise, in the way in which we went right in downloads, and this should be visible. This file should have been visible.
Okay, I extracted that Tosca 14. Yes.
That is guide and all comes with it only. Guide, if you want to take, you can take, but you get 14.3 sts.zip file, which is the right file. That is not available somehow.
How about this, Sneha? Let me ping you.
Let us see 13.3. Let's see 13.3.
How about this? Tosca server underscore 14.3 underscore STS. The
No, none
challenge
of
is I
them
don't.
are available. None of them are available.
No, I am able to see it right away. Here I am able to see. Yeah, here I am able to see, and I am
No.
just downloading this one.
See.
I downloaded it, and it is around 618 MB.
No, that is not the one, but Hari.
Okay.
Maybe just let me just ping you one thing. The
Okay.
announcement which they had made for this Tosca STS file. Yeah. Here you can see if it can be downloaded, and please note the download page.
Okay, this one. Okay, let me look into that.
Yes.
Yeah, it is 1.4 GB. Correct?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yeah, the download is in progress right now. I just clicked it. So you think this would help us, Sneha?
Yes, this would help.
Okay. So
everyone is able to do this.
So Aruna and rest of the participants, can you confirm?
Yeah, can you just open the site?
Yeah, this seems to be the right one actually, whatever just now Sneha provided.
Yes.
So at least if you are able to download it today, tomorrow what we are going to do is we are going to look into the installation and then the configuration. Vaishali, how about you, Vaishali?
Yeah, actually the link which Sneha sent, just I clicked on that and it is showing there is no record found or no something like that is showing.
No. You might have copied some space or such kind of stuff.
I think
just opened it out.
Yeah, I think so. What is there, Hari? It depends on the company name which we are using. I think so, like that.
No. I just used ABC as the company name.
Okay, and then why it is?
It is showing that it is now available, and then when I click on that
Did
link,
you use
then it is not
Microsoft
showing
Edge?
anything.
Yeah, did you use Microsoft Edge? To do that?
Browser? Yeah, I'm using Microsoft
no,
Edge. I'm using
no,
Microsoft
I
Edge.
think I'm not. Okay. Okay, I'll try in that also.
Yeah.
And for example, let's assume that if I am able to download, if I place it on the Google Drive, they would be able to get it.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, they can get it. It's just a common zip file.
The size is around 1.2
Nothing.
or 1.4 GB, right?
Yeah, if you around Google Drive, if you keep, they will be able to get it.
So what I will do is like I'm just taking the screenshot, okay?
Yes.
And I am pasting it in the Rise participants group, okay?
But let them, what I would suggest, Hari, is let them start with the training part of which I have shown previous to installing, because installation will only remain for 15 days.
Mhm.
So once they are well versed, right, with Tosca, with those trainings, then they can just install the Tosca and start like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they need the hands-on also, right?
Yes, hands-on
Sneha?
also they can get once they are up with the training, right? They will get hands-on also once they install, because
Okay, what I
for
suggest is
getting
maybe tomorrow we'll again like log in at 1 a.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. and then we'll try to get it at least till this part, the download, and then like we'll show like on one system, it is my system or so, someone system, and we'll discuss about them. And as you suggested, if it is just for 3 hours, maybe they can just go ahead and complete them over the week. So they are ready for
yeah,
by the upcoming week, correct?
yes.
The only thing is I just don't want to like hold them for this particular activity.
Okay. Can somebody say only one of them is not able to download, or even I'm not? I sent you Hari, but I'm not able to see the download, like same like.
Okay.
Yes.
Vaishali, how about you, Vaishali? You are able to see the download?
No, not yet. I'm just trying here and there.
Can you
I
share your
tried in
screen?
Microsoft. Yeah, I
Can
tried
you
in
share your screen?
Microsoft.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait.
Sorry to interrupt you. Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Yes, that will to understand. Previously, it was directly shown. Now I don't know why they kept it from the announcement and all.
There will be frequent changes, right?
Mm.
Are you sharing your screen, Vaishali? Is whose screen is this? Vaishali's screen. Okay. Can you
Yeah,
click on
yeah,
that
yeah.
link?
It's mine.
Can you click on the first link? It can be downloaded by following the below link. Yeah. Yes. And what it says is like you should be signed in. Yes, I see like you are already signed in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is no matching records found is shown like that.
Okay. Just hold on.
Can
Just
you,
hold on.
Vaishali,
We'll
can you
search it. Correct.
sign into this registration site again? Just try signing again.
Okay. So
Log
you want
out.
me to log
It
out?
might. Yes. It
Okay.
might have logged out the session by now. That's why that
Okay.
might also be the reason. So you better log in again and check.
Okay.
See, as long as like you are able to get in, you should be able to see that. If it is like some issue based on company, yeah. Now directly open this URL. Na? Like maybe you can just search
So
or else search.
now, okay.
Just
So I
type
logged in.
14.3. Just type 14.3 in this search.
Yeah, I just pinged that in the chat also.
And the last option that you get, there will be, last option you click, not the first one.
Okay.
Just do it again. Remove 3 and type here. No, it's still not showing.
It's very slow actually for me.
Can you go to download section? Downloads. Yeah. Click on the try
View all.
center.
Yeah, click on view all downloads.
Okay.
No, it's the same thing.
Yeah, only guide and documentation is.
That is
showing.
only invisible. I
Okay,
don't know
okay.
why.
Can you do me a favor, Vaishali? Can you now open
Yeah.
the other link which I pinged? The other link which I pinged?
Which one?
That support try
The
scientist. It is in the chat. It's in the chat. Sneha has pinged it
okay.
actually.
Okay. Chat.
In
This
the
one?
Zoom chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, just try to open it out. Okay, now click the first one.
Again, it's not. No matching records found.
Yes, it for me also it is giving same only. I think so. There is some maintenance sorry which is going on.
Okay, it is. I am able to get it actually.
Otherwise it is always available. This is the
Okay.
only route by which you can take on.
Okay, for now, what we'll conclude is like just give a try. I will just going to post the same thing again for you. So we request everyone to give a try. And tomorrow at 11 a.m. we'll reconvene and we'll see like how far we were able to make progress.
Okay.
And in case, for example, if we are still unable to do that, anyhow, like I started my download, it is in progress. So we'll see like if you are facing issue, we'll check the possibility of sharing it with you using the G drive also. Okay. And at the same time, whatever Sneha has suggested, we request today you just spend some time, start spending some time with respect to just going through that particular trainings. And maybe like tomorrow we'll try to get everyone's installation complete. And then what you can do is like over the next 1 week, you can just try to go through that 1 or 2 specialist series. And then I think like you should have a familiarity or knowledge on how to use and everything. And then we can start using the actual hands-on.
Yes.
Anything Sneha, which you would like to add, or anyone has any comments, thoughts, or suggestions?
Yes, I believe this will be a right way to take towards learning Tosca and understanding it better. And also you have Tricentis heartbeat, small 3 to 5 minutes videos that you get on YouTube. Okay, so that also you can give it a try for learning. And for installation part, I'm not sure. There might be some maintenance which is going on right now.
Sure, Sneha. And as we discussed, maybe like tomorrow we'll connect at 11 a.m. same time.
Yes.
And we'll see like it is like till the download they should be able to get in.
Yeah.
They should be comfortable at least till that point of time. Okay.
Because through downloads only you should have got it. Yeah.
Correct. And the other thing is like you can just come prepared with any kind of questions or topics that we have discussed so far. So Sneha can help us on them also, so that we can make that effective utilization of that 1.5 hour tomorrow what we are going to spend. Okay. Okay, then thank you all for joining today, and once again thank you Sneha for pitching in and helping us today on hosting this session. I appreciate your support here.
Thank you. Thank you all for joining. Yeah.
Sure.
Take care.
Tomorrow definitely like please join at 11 a.m. so that we can get started on time.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Sure.
Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.